Naging thankful din naman talaga ako sa Be Careful With My Heart sa mga oportunidad na nagawa, hindi lang para sa career ko, pero sa career namin lahat na nandito. But I think, na-i-prepare ko na rin naman yung sarili ko na lahat naman ng nagsisimula ay may katapusan. Pero syempre, nakakamiss dahil for 2 years, ito yung ginagawa ko. Every morning, you wake up, you go to taping, and then come home, and then go to taping again. So, medyo may mababago lang, may mga kailangan i-adjust lang. But, ayun, yung sabi ko.
So confirm na ba, Jody, na you're doing the Amor Powers role in...
Oh, no.
So, it's not...
Gusto ko lang pong laruin yan kasi syempre baka kung kanina man po na-i-offer. hindi ko po alam, wala po akong alam doon.
I see. Kasi parang, honestly, in my opinion, lead role ka dito, di ba? Kahit na anong sabihin mo, main support kayo dun sa isang, dun sa kakanang yun. But you did very well, Maria Leonora Teresa. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po.
So, at saka birthday nga pala niya ngayong araw na ito.
Si Richard naman, Kuya Mario.
Si Richard naman.
Well, of course, it's bittersweet for us, all of us, I think, na medyo we'll be missing the whole experience kasi we've been doing it for more than 2 years. But like Jody said, everything has an end, all good things come to an end, and mas maganda na rin siguro na mag-end na maganda on a high note. So, we just look at this as a positive thing. We look forward to better things to come also. So, to just be positive about everything, and we just cherish all the moments that we had together here on the set.
And nag-shoot ka na dun sa Vice Ganda movie?
Magsa-start pa lang kami. By next week.
Kay Janela, what do you think are your chances on Sunday?
Sa Ibig Handog po, well, actually, gusto ko naman po yung sarili kong song, and I've heard all the other songs din, and maganda din po lahat. Tingnan ko na. Pero, hindi ko po alam yung chances ko, hindi ko po talaga masing. Pero, yun.
Actually, it will depend on the judges. Kasi kung mga bata yung judges, I think you have a very good chance. Kasi, now yung kanta mo very catchy. So,
sana nga po, pero sana matalo ko pa si Daniel Padilla sa fans. Yun po.
So, good luck. Kay Mr. Carlos Salazar, I think you're the only one among the LBN actors who is surviving dun sa era na yun, in the 50s, di ba? Ang mga kasabayan nyo, sina Nestor De Villa, Armando Guillena, Mario Montenegro, Eddie Rodriguez, puro alam natin wala na sila, so ngayon na lang ako natitira. So congratulations, ngayon na-revive ng ABS ang career ninyo. What have you been doing all these years while you were away from the camera?
That's a very, very timely question. Before I answer that, let me tell you that during the first years of Canlaon Broadcasting System, I was already making stories. I was already appearing with them. And one of these unforgettable ones that I do remember up to now is titled Magnificent Sense by Australia. It was an Asia literary winner. And ito naman sa aking, as you just asked, the future seems to be much brighter and much more intriguing in a sense na isipin mo naman at my age, I will be 84 this coming October next month. But look at me, kaya ko pang magpuyat ng alas 5, 3 gabi. Di ba? Maya, no? Bigil lahat kayo. Ito, si Gloria. Gloria, nahihiya ako dyan kahit na mo gusto ko na matulog. Hindi ako natutulog dahil ito hindi natutulog eh. Baka sabihin ng mga crew, tignan mo, tatanda na talaga yun. Ay galit ako dyan sa salitang matanda. But anyway, it all boils up into one single question. At the end of my thoughts, I can say only, I am working with the wonderful people in ABS-CBN.
Thank you and welcome back. Kay Jing to ulit. Di ba dun sa nagsimula na yung kina Daniel Padilla, yung story nila para backstory. How long will it run? Yung backstory nila?
Tapos na po.
Tapos na ba?
Dapat mahabaan pa sana namin
Oh.
umalis na silang dalawa, may show po.
Kaya hindi
Kasi sinunod na namin lahat, pero pwede sana namin dagdagan, pero umalis na po sila.
So, hanggang kailan yun? This week lang?
Opo, nai-air na yung Wednesday.
Kaumpis na lang eh.
Nag-air na po nung previous week.
Okay. Anyway, congratulations sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Kuya Mario. Daanan lang natin yung questions ng TFC.tv kasi we ask questions from the fans, lalo na yung mga nasa abroad, no? Ito, may question para kay Sir Chief and Maya mula kay @Miles JC Lee. Describe your friendship ng past 2 years. Ano yung friendship na nabuo in the past 2 years sa inyong dalawa?
Well, I think it's a friendship based on trust and based on what's it called that? Mutual respect for each other. We have lots of times we get to laugh about a lot of things. We get to kid each other about a lot of things, but we also get to talk about serious things like family, like career. So I think it's a true friendship that's hard to find, especially in the showbiz.
Jody.
Sinabi na niya. Tama yun. Ano ba? Hindi naman kami nahirapan na magkasundo eh, di ba? First time pa lang namin nagkasama sa workshop, mag-add na yung loob namin sa isa't isa, and hindi naman nahirapan na mag-blossom into real friendship.
Okay. Thank you, Jody. Aaron, next question.
MJ, ito, talaga hindi niya pinapalampas ang lahat ng episode ng Be Careful. Hindi siya maalis ng bahay, hanggang hindi niya napapanood. Hindi kompleto daw ang araw niya.
Wow!
Hindi siya nakapanood. Well, iba ko si Tita Astor.
Si Tita Astor naman pala. Tita A, what's your question?
Pinumit mo ako actually, dalawa lang ang tanong ko.
Okay.
Dalawa lang ang tanong ko. Although dun sa first question, common for everyone, and then pangalawang question ko will be for Richard at saka kay Jody. Yung unang tanong ko, ano yung na-develop? Ano ang na-discover nyo sa isa't isa? And what will you miss most na yung magtatapos na yung Be Careful? Now, my next question is for Jody and Richard. Kung halimbawa lang, hindi ka, Richard, may pamilya or you're not taken yet, same with Jody. Hindi ba kayong nagkaroon man lang ng parang, pwede bang na-develop or nagkaroon kayo ng mutual attraction para sa isa't isa? Parang you're too good to be true bilang pair.
Bilang couple.
Bilang couple.
Okay, Tita Astor, your first question was for everybody or
For everybody.
For everybody. What will you miss most?
Yeah, at saka ano yung na-develop at anong na-discover din nila para sa isa't isa?
Okay, let's start with Tart. Ayan, what will you miss most at anong na-develop?
Na-discover sa isa't isa, naku, lahat po kami komedyante, promise. Katulad na sinabi ng aming mga bida, mas marami kaming mga bagay na pinagtatawanan, especially what's really happening every day of our lives. Tapos sa mga miss ko, yung...
Agad-agad naman daw, first question.
Kasi kanina ko mo pinipigil.
Ay talaga? Bakit, Tart? Go. Buhos mo na yan.
Miss ko lang yung family na instant family ko ng 2 taon. Yung mga napapagsabihan ko ng problema ko kasi wala ang best friend ko. O napapagsabihan ko ng mga dinadala ko kasi hindi ko kasama yung asawa ko. Kaya sinatry ko sabi si Sir Chief.
Para-paraan din naman pala.
Hindi ko lang sabihin.
Hindi kasi kami kasi talaga po, merong mga kahit personal na bagay po. Eh, minsan napapag-usapan namin. Yun po yung nakakamiss doon. Yung araw-araw na makikita namin sila. Siguro may times na napapagod, pero masayang mapagod na masayang kasama mo. Masayang mga tao, mga kasama at mababait ang staff and crew na may puno din po ng respeto. Kahit na siguro nakita rin nila kami namin sa pinakapangit na umaga kasi pangit ang gising. Hindi naligo kasi segue. Doon ako naligo. Ako Mama Jules, kasi naliligo po ako sa mansyon. Pagkagaling ako sa library, may show ako. Nakikita na po nilang nakakilay po ako parang drag queen. Kaya po, hindi ko po maaalis na mamiss ang staff at saka ang instant family ko. Be careful with my family.
Thank you, Tar. Joanne, ikaw naman.
Siyempre,